good afternoon, good morning. It depends wherever you are, and it depends the time you are gonna cross this video. Thank you once again, and I welcome you all to the land of living, to the land of our ancestors. I welcome you all to the land we have to protect. I welcome you all to the land of olden days. I welcome you all to the ancient land, the land of honey and milk and oil. I welcome you all. Greetings to the whole Biafrans. Greetings to the whole of us of freedom. Today is a wonderful day. The day we will continue our mission to restore Biafra. No more Biafra, no life. No Biafra, no life. IPOB, big family. IPOB, big family. All hail Biafra. I welcome you all to the live broadcast. Today is gonna be a wonderful day. I want you to bring your pen and your paper. Depends the one you want. I welcome you all because we are marching to our freedom. We are counting days now to start our journey. The way Moses did in the ancient days. We are going to see our promised land. I greet you all. Today is very important to the whole of us of freedom. Because now, we are going to start. We are going to start by actions to let them know that they are holding all of us, not only Nnamdi Kanu. So I want you to invite your friends now and share this video so that it will reach the Nigeria government. It will reach them, they will watch it, and they will know that we are the people. We are the indigenous people, no matter what. And we are absolutely dedicate ourselves for this mission. We are born to this. If they did not born you for this, freedom, aka freedom, I'm born to this job to restore our mother's land. Before I go on, before I start, I want you to get something now. Before I start, listen very careful, because I don't have so much time. You people will understand that what we are doing here, we are not in media, or we don't have time to decorate. We don't have time to make something look the way you want. But we are giving you live and direct. If you want to get the message, you get it. If you don't want to get it, you leave it. The people I'm speaking or the people I'm talking to know what to do, and they know what I'm saying. Now, this is who I am. So I have to bring to you what we have on table as it is. So so before I move on today, because today is very important. Today we are going to make it official. Eba brozu oyabo eku ife, or became many force. We are going to everybody going to put it at work from today. So before I move on, I want you to listen to something, because I don't have time to wait for some people. I just want you to listen very careful before I make my announcement of the day. Yes, before I forget, we got a message from our able leader, Nnamdi Kanu. The only man in the earth, you cannot find them two. Only man His mission is only him. Nowhere in this world you can find this type of man like you. So we have a confirmed message from him that he's greeting the whole Biafra. He's seeing your work. He's seeing your patience. He is seeing everything. So he said, greetings to the whole Biafran and the greeting for the whole of us of freedom. That he is prepared. That he is signed and ordained to restore this great nation. He make a point. And he wants us to go and check the history of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was crucified. At the end of the day, he is resurrected. So no matter what happened, the last is going to be the result. That is the greeting we got from our able leader. So before I move on, I want you to listen. Listen very careful because it's very important. For those of you who did not know what we are doing, those of you think that we are joking, or those of you think that, look at this small boy. Because I have been seeing some of you are saying that IPOB did not have a good presenter, all those. This is bullshit. Some of you, I have already made it clear. If you want entertainment channel, go to there, you know where you get it. If you want educated or a good English, you know where to get it. But here is from grassroots, the way it is. Yeah? And if you watch our channel, we are saying the things the way it be. We don't copy and paste. We tell you what you need to do because this is our work. If you are searching for another news or any other information, you know where to get it. But here is the strategy to make our freedom to be quick and to make it perfectly. So I want you to listen before I go on. Listen very carefully. Ndị be anyị ga-ekwenụ ntị ọfụma biko geenụ ntị.
Without fear before our enemies, we have sworn an oath to restore Biafra, or we die in the process. There will be no retreat and no surrender. If the option they give to us is to seek our restoration by violence,
please, if you are not hearing what I'm playing, please let me know.
All the animals will be destroyed. It's a promise and a pledge we're making to them. They must understand that we just don't love our country. We are fanatical about Biafra. We will do everything humanly possible to ensure that Biafra comes.
Okay.
It is either the flag of Biafra is raised up or I am lowered into the grave. One of the two must happen. It is better for this heaven and this earth not to exist than for Biafra not to come to pass. We dedicate it into the hands of Chukwuabiama, the creator of the heavens and the earth, because only him decreed that we should exist as a race, and only him has the say to decide and to determine if we are to survive or not.
I hope you people are hearing it.
We don't place our hopes in any man. We don't believe that any country can do anything for us. We are going to reaffirm our faith in the supremacy of the creator of the heavens and the earth, Chukwuabiama, upon to whom and in whom every glory and honor belongs to. That's why we worship him and nothing else and no other. We worship the one true living God. That is who we worship. That is why we were created. We are not like any other people. We have been chosen by Chukwuabiama to serve him. We have been chosen by the creator of the heavens and the earth that we may serve him. That is why in our names which contains every praise imaginable. Every praise imaginable to the Most High is contained within our names because we are very special people. We are here to reaffirm and reiterate that. We are here to ensure that this very march towards our freedom cannot be hindered. Any obstacle on our way, real or imagined, man or woman,
I hope you people are hearing it.
Anything it is, once you are an impediment to the restoration of the sovereignty of Biafra, you will be destroyed completely and totally in every way imaginable. We do not forgive. There is no forgiveness in our dictionary. We are here to ensure that the death of 3.5 million people is not forgotten. It is to them that I owe every ounce of loyalty and obligation. They are not here to offer any advice or to ask us to forgive Gowon. They are not here to ask us to forgive Haruna. They are not here to ask us to forgive the Yoruba people and the Awolowo family. The reason why we exist is to ensure that their memory, that they can never ever be forgotten, that their memory will linger on forever, that as long as man walks this earth, this world will remember the 3.5 million people that they killed, men and women that did nothing, children that were innocent. Their only crime is to be blessed by God. That is the only crime they have committed. As those children were being slaughtered, and very wicked and cruel world, spearheaded by Awolowo, everybody looked on and did nothing. Instead of them to help us, they ensured that our absolute blockade from land, air, and sea was absolute, that we may die, that the children of God may die. But lo and behold, Chukwuabiama determined that we cannot die, that we cannot perish, because we are his own. Despite all our iniquities, despite all our sins, he made us in his image. He gave us that very edict to worship him, and that is what we do every blessed day on this radio station, without fail and without the fear of any human being, such as of an animal in the zoo. We are here to worship Chukwuabiama. For those who don't understand what Chukwuabiama means, he is the creator, the supreme creator of the heavens and the earth. And to him we owe everything that we are. And upon him and to him does every honor and glory belong to. This is Radio Biafra. As I wait for the barrister to join me.
Okay. Yes, let's start. I hope you people hear it very carefully. You hear it loud and clear. This is our mission. And we are not going to take any chance. So let me make the announcement. I know that some of you have heard, but we, the Eastern Security Network, we are going to make it to be enforced. On the 26th of this month, no movement in Biafra land. We say it and we say it clear. The whole world is going to the court with Nnamdi Kanu. If you know that you are living in this country called Zoo, I say no movement. No movement of even unknown animal, unknown goat, nothing will move in the street. Share this video so that they will get it loud and clear. This is not just about Nnamdi Kanu, but what happened, the blood of innocent people that they killed in 1967 to 1970. So that this is to bring everything down. The journey started on 26. So we want every Biafra land to be silent. Let them know that we are serious. Let them know that not holding Nnamdi Kanu, they are holding them. As they are busy holding in Nnamdi Kanu, the Boko Haram, they are naming their governor in Borno State. Of course, you people know. Because here we don't propaganda. We just let our people to know what is going on. Some of you have read the news. As they are busy trying to bring us down, they are busy ravaging their state. And they are not saying anything. I repeat myself again. On the behalf of the robbers of freedom and the IPOB worldwide, on 26th, there is no movement in Biafra land. We all are going to the court. Get to the point. From today, if you know business you are doing, you are working, do your things. But 26th is the day of our freedom starting. Because I want to let you people to know one thing. And some of you that want to start hearing boom boom, don't worry. Don't worry. Right now, I repeat myself, any hand that Nigeria government wants this time, we are going to give them. If really they are protecting your interests, like your normal citizen of the country, they want your interest, they want your progress, they want you to have peace, they want you to have progress. A call of referendum will start from 26. A good judgment will start from 26. If they fail to do this, then they will know that Eastern security people, they are not just there only to walk in the bush. So, the message today is that no movement in Biafra land on 26. On the Biafra Ninekeji, they are holding the whole Biafras. And for some of those that are outside the country, as you have heard from the head of state, that you people will get your own letter. Everybody must be on street. For those of you that is outside this country. So prepare yourself. Because we all are going to the court. And for those of you that in this Biafra land, as we say no movement, you people know, you know the time we ban open prison, and some afraid from them mokana kana ekpona mana na akpari. Anyị ekwukwe ya ọzọ. Na ihe niile ya adị jụụ. Biafra land on 26, no movement. Even if because of Nnamdi Kanu, it is because of our freedom. It is because of children, almost 6 million children, they killed with their crew. We are going to bring the justice from them, starting from 26. Everybody will sit down and watch what they are trying to do. Like we said before, holding him is the starting to marching to our freedom. Now, asukwana ni noro mo na agwaro gi. In Aroro Ibo, in Azafia, 26 is for sitting at home. 26 is sitting at home. We are going to make it to enforce it. Mi bonye Biafra mi bro. If I na wagib na 26, no movement. No movement or no cow, no movement or no ewu obna. Also got the bro kuko. I hope you people get the point. Because some of you, watch film, this is the time of discipline and the focus, and we are determined for what we are doing. We are not going to take anything that will bring us down. Never. We are not going to take it. We are born to restore our motherland. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. And onwere ife nchọrọ igwu unu. Ọkwụnụ for ndị sabotua. We don't have that. They just want to bring distraction. But we are moving ahead. We are taking record of everything that is happening. Let me tell you, this security network, they are not already in the bush. We are taking record. Time shall come, we will track all of them down. If you are following our leader, you know that we don't make mouth. But we are telling you what is going to happen, and it must happen. And for some of you that saying secret, freedom fighter, they don't have secret. Oh. I na plan clue. We are doing our freedom things. And surely we must get our freedom. Yet, I just got a message now. I got a message, a very important message. The zone uniform people or security, whatever they call, they are moving in our land with I don't know what to call it. But we are not sure what we are telling you right now, do not take anything from them. Also go the first na fana agba ogun gbochi, mo na fana agba vaccine. You also kwa fana agba, do not take anything from them at the stand. Obugodo no we fi take, mo no we nki ye were, ke mesi go di fan on ya. We don't trust them. We don't trust them. Do not take anything from them. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ, onye na-enwere ntị ya nụrụ there. Mgbe uru egbupụ isi egbupụ ntị. So yes, and for some of you that messaging me, I have already made my point clear. Our mission is to restore our great nation. And for some of you that asking me, who is sponsoring you, that if the time comes, they will leave me. Nobody is sponsoring me. I work for myself. I say Freedom Channel work for himself. So if anything goes wrong or if anything happens, hold me responsible. I don't work for anybody and I don't look for money. So get the point. If I did not answer your message, know that what we are trying to bring in on, we know it. That is why we will not answer your message. And I make it so that the people that in need of to contact us can contact us. Not Obura Makandi afraid, Obura Makandi Sabu. So Kunu Maro. And I told them can Uru Makandi afraid. We caught all the reaching us privately. So I am engineering this one in very this mbeda came marry neku. And the only onye bia na page a na post if na maroko the question. And I will go the person contact us privately. If you are sure that the talk from Israel is missing or something is happening to you, make sure you contact us and give us the more detail. I had to propaganda. I had the way this time around. So before I let you in, I want to advise our people again. Be focused. Be responsible. Be disciplined. Yes. There's something here. Okay. Yes, and I want to also make this thing clear. If you are really a true Biafran and you really want your freedom, Agwamunu, this time I brought time education. Everybody is involved. Everybody is involved. Imarifi that you know that it is the right thing to do. Do it. At the end, we all will gain our freedom. Unu chekwe na ndị zoo maka ndị efreva acha na Nigeria ka ya dị mma. Na-enwere thinking faculty. Maka ndị efreva acha na Nigeria ka ya dị mma. Kpachapụkwa na anya unu. You better wake up from your slumber I should play it again. Okay. Okay, sir. I have already done that, but let me repeat it. Yes, let me. Okay. Listen very carefully. For you to know that we are not going to take any chance this time around. Ana eburu ozu onye ọzọ ọ dịka ebukwu nkụ. Eburu ozu onye ọzọ ọ dịka okwu nkụ ka ebu. Listen. Yes, I just want to do it one more time.
Before our enemies, we have sworn an oath to restore Biafra, or we die in the process. There will be no retreat and no surrender. If the option they give to us is to seek our restoration by violence, every living thing living in the zoo will be destroyed. All the animals will be destroyed. It's a promise and a pledge we're making to them. They must understand that we just don't love our country. We are fanatical about Biafra. We will do everything humanly possible to ensure that Biafra comes. It is either the flag of Biafra is raised up or I am lowered into the grave. One of the two must happen. It is better for this heaven and this earth not to exist than for Biafra not to come to pass. We dedicate it into the hands of Chukwuabiama, the creator of the heavens and the earth, because only him decreed that we should exist as a race, and only him has the say to decide and to determine if we are to survive or not. We don't rest our hopes in any man. We don't believe that any country can do anything for us. We are going to reaffirm our faith in the supremacy of the creator of the heavens and the earth, Chukwuabiama, upon to whom and in whom every glory and honor belongs to. That's why we worship him and nothing else and no other. We worship the one true living God. That is who we worship. That is why we were created. We are not like any other people. We have been chosen by Chukwuabiama to serve him. We have been chosen by the creator of the heavens and the earth that we may serve him. That is why in our names which contains every praise imaginable. Every praise imaginable to the Most High is contained within our names because we are very special people. We are here to reaffirm and reiterate that. We are here to ensure that this very march towards our freedom cannot be hindered. Any obstacle on our way, real or imagined, man or woman, adult or child, anything it is, once you are an impediment to the restoration of the sovereignty of Biafra, you will be destroyed completely and totally. In every way imaginable. We do not forgive. There is no forgiveness in our dictionary. We are here to ensure that the death of 3.5 million people is not forgotten.
You hear the result?
It is to them that I owe every ounce of loyalty and obligation. They are not here to offer any advice or to ask us to forgive Gowon.
Okay.
They are not here to ask us to forgive Haruna. They are not here to ask us to forgive the Yoruba people and the Awolowo family. The reason why we exist is to ensure that their memory, that they can never ever be forgotten, that their memory will linger on forever, that as long as man walks this earth, this world will remember the 3.5 million people that they killed, men and women that did nothing, children that were in nothing, children that were innocent. Their only crime is to be blessed by God. That is the only crime they have committed. As those children were being slaughtered, and very wicked and cruel world, spearheaded by Awolowo. Everybody looked on and did nothing. Instead of them to help us, they ensured that our absolute blockade from land, air, and sea was absolute, that we may die, that the children of God may die. But lo and behold, Chukwuabiama determined that we cannot die, that we cannot perish, because we are his own. Despite all our iniquities, despite all our sins, he made us in his image. He gave us that very edict to worship him, and that is what we do every blessed day on this radio station, without fail and without the fear of any human being. Stop us of an animal in the zoo. We are here to worship Chukwuabiama. For those who don't understand what Chukwuabiama means, he is the creator, the supreme creator of the heavens and the earth. And to him we owe everything that we are. And upon him and to him does every honor and glory belong to. This is Radio Biafra. as I wait the barrister to join me.
You hear it? You hear it very well. Because some of you do not understand. Some of you do not understand what we are doing. We have only one commander. We have only one commander. Our supreme leader, the Nnamdi Kanu. The only one man in this earth. We obey him and we take his instruction. That is what makes Zoo government to go mad. How can millions of people be listening to this man? That is their own jealous. How can millions of people be following this man? They say they have brainwashers. That is what they are saying. How can they be brainwashers? Do you make the environment good for? The environment is speaking for us. Nobody needs to somebody to preach for you to follow Biafra. Nobody is preaching for you to follow IPOB. Nobody will preach to you. This is the reason why you are going to fight for your freedom. No. But the environment, the way they do things, will make you, if you get sense, will make you think that this place did not belong to you. You better fight for your own. So, what I'm trying to let you know this evening is that we are not going to take any chance from anybody. To tell you how determined we are. To make sure that we are free. To make sure that our unborn children, we are free. Maybe you think I'm fighting for myself. No. I'm not fighting for myself. You see all the robbers of freedom all over the world, IPOB, UK, Germany, all of them. Do you think that even if you live abroad, that your life is better there? Do you have a future there? No place like home. And that our home is our Biafra land. And we are going to do everything to make it come true for us. Forget about it. Remember the innocent children they kill with hunger. Just remember them. Then obey the instruction. We stay on 26. From 26. Any day that our leader is going to the court, no movement in Biafra land. Starting from 26. Let them know that they are holding the whole Biafrans. Not holding Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I make a thing very sorry for him. Now, go because in the Bayan women and stars. Arab people so they start from today making the campaign. No movement on 26. Every Biafra land will be silent. Ask him, if Nnamdi Kanu just remember the innocent children they killed during the massacre, the genocide. Remember them. These children, the only way we can fulfill their blood or their heart to make them rest in peace is to restore them Biafra back. So any little thing you do counts. Like I always said, if you know the one you are good in, do it. Don't wait for anybody. For all those have you seen anybody start doing his own thing in his own way so that we will be free to Biafra to come? Yes, I am a Biafra. I believe in Biafra, but the way Nnamdi Kanu and his people goes about it, Why that onye na-ekwukwu ya, onye na-ekwu family ye no family o ma chịkọta mu die. Family yourself as do ya afia o man defend the one afia. We buru onye na control millions of people all over the world. Onwekwu ihe ọ bụ, ọ bụrụkwa general, ọ bụrụkwa nka, onwekwu ihe ọ bụ. Ọ na control millions of people. Ị na-ewetere ya ọnụ. How dare you? So no time, because I'm seeing a lot of people, they have a good thing to give to our people. Timothy Precious, I'm asking. We don't have time to come and Friday. We bring you the way it is. Pick your call, or if you don't have data, let me add another person. My people, if you kwesịrị ịghọta. If you kwesịrị ịghọta. That is why some of our people always say that this is a Igbo nation or Igbo this or Igbo. Biafran people are not, you know, the channel that they are speaking Igbo. This is the same announcement I bring to you. Some of our channel is also speaking Igbo. This country is not only for Igbo people. Please try to understand this. Try to understand this. The most important thing is that if you are not hearing me or you didn't get the point I'm making, you just let me know. That is what we need. We are passing message. We are not passing. Don't look how I speak or so things. Chich, I'm adding you on screen. You think, do you know? You don't know that your security, the DSS, they are watching. Are they hearing Igbo? Are they hearing Igbo? The Nigerian government we are talking to, are they hearing Igbo? Thank you, my brother. Welcome to the broadcast. Hello? Can you hear me?
They don't hear Igbo, bro. And we don't expect them to hear Igbo, whether they like it or not. Their plan must come to pass.
Yeah. Okay. If news Nnamdi Kanu.
I want to ask a few questions.
You people are here talking about English. My brother, go on.
Imana, ebe m nọ na Abuja live and direct yọta ihe na-eme na anyị ncha na-afịa ama ka o si wee dị mana m chọrọ ịtụnye awụ na ihe Chukwu kwadochana ya ọsọkwa ha ma enu ma ana ọ ya abịarịrị. Moses have come and passed, which is the who started the race. Ọ bịago wee na o may hand over to what? To Joshua. Our Joshua is here and he must lead us to the promised land. That is all I believe on. Of akwele ma fe kwalo I am gene I am on a promised land. Yota, I am a well-known Navy personnel, but I have to resign because of what the zoo is all about. The zoo, I am no longer a Navy personnel. I am hiding myself.
Yes.
And I don't care. And I'm ready to die because of Biafra. You understand me? So, my fair qualified for factor. I am fair. All hair Biafra.
All hair Biafra. Daruo.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother.
Okay, is it Joseph? If you knew anything you can do, just share about this video. You share but I know why I'm telling you people this thing. And I know why I make it for you to contact me in WhatsApp. That WhatsApp is not a group. It's not a group. For those of you that tell me they changed the number, I know why we have not changed the number. We will change it, but the time shall come when we are going to change it. Everything we are doing, we know how Nigerian government and the free works. I'm going for innocent children, pete people. I am already still about and about POB. Yeah, I know what's getting there. You follow what the instruction. Let them stop free you people. We know how they operate. And I have repeated myself, if you know where you record this video and send it so that it will reach them. And I make the point here that the reason why I draw this tattoo, my neck and my hand, know how many it is, because another one is still coming. So that they will know, because I know them. They will know that we are serious on what we are doing. Because living in Nigeria is not a life. That is the testimony I'm giving you people. Since I started working practically, my life has been changed. Since I started announcing my Nigeria, my life is not the same. So we are determined, even if to try to make it so big. This is Freedom Channel bringing to you. And if you notice in this channel, I don't bring any other face. Because I don't know who has signed into life, but I have already signed my life. Anyhow it will be, let it be. Or die and die. Forget. Don't come here to preach me again. This is the last one. I will give some Undi a frame. Do you think Nigeria has technology? Do you think that Nigeria have technology for security reasons? If they have it, all of them has been supposed to drop because they are the perpetrators. They are the ones doing the evil things. If you people don't know. If you think they have technology to fight crime, to fight insecurity, we will not be in this stage to talking about insecurity in Nigeria. Forget all this rubbish they are doing. As they are there, if they are not adopt Nnamdi Kanu. You can naming another state inside another state, having their governor there, telling them bag of crayfish, bag of okoro. They pray everywhere. Now, Emmanuel, God will. I'm trying to get on screen. Brother Emmanuel, please, I have said it. If you don't want, if you don't have so much to say, remove yourself in coming to the screen. No, hello, my sister. Welcome to our Freedom Channel. Which one? Who wants to? Yes, welcome you all.
Hello, my brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Yeah, I've been busy. You know, I've been listening from at work because nothing distracts me more than Biafra issue. Nothing takes my pressure than Biafra issue.
They don't know how prepared we are.
My brother, somebody needs to explain to them anyway, but in the sense that they don't really understand. From every angle, they should know that we are no more joking. Even it happened in the days of Jesus when they were evangelizing, people were killing them, government was killing them. But this time around, we are no more evangelizing. We have evangelized in the past and they killed us. This time around, we don't want to evangelize. And we are not preaching to anybody anymore. We are no more preaching to anybody anymore. You understand? My father was a veterinarian in those days of Biafra. I know how it is. Until the day he gave up the ghost, he never agreed on one Nigeria. And I, until I die, will never agree in one Nigeria.
Including me.
Nothing will ever happen to that I will agree in one Nigeria. Bro, on that day of that court, every single being must be on that court.
I say nothing.
All over the world, the whole world, we know that we are controlling the whole world.
Yes, so all hell Biafra.
We must stand still everywhere. The whole world must know that Biafra is the one ruling the whole world.
Yes.
No movement on that day. We are all heading to that court. And if so be it, we all march down to the zoo and then tell them the stuff you are made of.
We move.
You understand?
Thank
Biafra is not for jokes. We are not joking. Here in the diaspora, we know what we see here. We know what we see here. British now have to know that they created a very monster in creating Nigeria. And this time around, we cannot take it anymore.
Onwere ife anybody now what about? The name of the country is the borrowing name. Can you which country does that?
Bro, everything in
brother,
Nigeria now is borrowed.
What is the meaning of
Nigeria?
Nigeria?
Is borrowed. They took everything we have and gave us their own. We throw away our own. Can you imagine somebody kneeling down to pray and they say in the name Holy Ghost fire should fire Amadoha? Whereas in the name of Jesus you are praying. You don't know where he come from. Even in Israel that Jesus come from till today, they are still waiting for the Messiah. Till today, they are creating missiles, creating weapons, protecting themselves. But when we want to pray, we'll carry cross and put somewhere and say, Holy Ghost will protect us. My brother, we are joking. This time around, we don't take, in short, we don't need anything. If Amadu is our God, we take Amadu on her. You understand? Okay. We don't need any already-made thing. We want to go back to where we come from. We have an origin. We know where we come from. You understand? We are heading back to that place. My director said that he is looking for the Biafra of the old. He's not looking for the Biafra of the new. He said we are looking for the Biafra of before. Is who we are before the Biafra came, before Britain came. You understand? And God bear me witness. Oh my, what are you saying? God, no man creates a country. No man creates a country. It is only Nigeria that was created by a man, Lord Lugard and his girlfriend. And we are not taking it anymore. We can't take it. Area, black people, that because they live in the side of the Niger, that's why they call Nigeria. What rubbish name? And you tell me to I've taken it for years. You understand? 1914 amalgamation expired 2013. We all know that. We all know history. They all signed and are subscribed for it. We have served. We fought. My father did not agree for one Nigeria. That's why he took his gun and fought. He stood against Britain for 3 years and some months. We all know it. So if he, without weapon, can stand against them for that year,
imagine.
I, with my own weapon, I can put them down, bro. I will put them down. It will only take a little time. So we are not, anyway, they all know that we are all ready to die. They know we are all ready to die, but they can't kill us.
Thank you, my brother. Man,
you are doing very much well, bro.
How many soldiers did Nigeria have? How many security personnel did Nigeria have? Go and do the assignment for you.
Every day I go on Google and I ask how many soldiers they have. I know they don't have. The little one they have, Boko Haram have reduced some. You understand? The little one they have, ISIS have reduced some. And they are still reducing them.
Imagine the Kaduna community want to protest because of their children. They kidnap. Security personnel.
They have not seen anything.
Them.
They haven't seen anything. Director told them. He told them, he warned them, they didn't hear. They haven't seen anything yet. In short, anyway, let me give another people a chance to speak. I'm following you, bro.
Thank you, my brother.
Well done. God bless you. Chuko Kikabia Magozegi one more.
He said, Yagozikun. Okay, who is the lucky one? Marcus. Okay. Please, let's behave ourselves because a lot of people want to say something. Ọbụna ndị a che na-egwu ka anyị na-egwu. Ọcha na-egwu ka anyị na-egwu. Please, I'm adding you in the screen. Take your call or you give other people chance. Oh, can I Google the Okasifa? Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. I'm adding you on screen, please. It's like you don't want to. All these people where they use fake name. I go connect. Victor. Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ya. Nwanne pụta n'ụzọ re nwanne. Hello, my brother. Welcome to our live stream.
I greet you, sir.
Thank you very much. How are you doing and how is your area? Like I told you people before, be your own security. Any illegal movement, try to let us know. We are not taking any chance from them. If my mother or my father go illegal movement, I take him or her down.
As far as to bring Bradford to come. As far as Bradford, anything not one across.
It's like you are enjoying yourself. Talk to your people.
Okay, onye isi ekene m gị nchọka nji this opportunity si na Chineke nna ga-agba unu ume ESM ebe ọ bụla anọ na-anụrụ anya ọgụ a ịma na ife Biafra thank God Nnamdi Kanu onye ndu anyị ọ bịa mee anyị nwa aghọtazi ihe na anyị bibu na dark kịta ka anyị ghọta n'obodo anyị nọ bụ Nigeria wọkụla atọ but ihe nna akpọrọ bụ na nchọka onye ọbụla all Biafra all over the places. From everything more and afford from social media, man, nweta onwe anyị abịago. So once ka ndị ohere a na-asị gị na Chineke ga-agba unu ume onye ọbụla na-achọ freedom for Biafra, especially ESM, because ewezugo n'ụwa now, anyị ama ihe ka ga-abụ our outcome na East now. Ịma na anyị nwa nọcha na maybe Lagos, Abuja.
If Kafananu Abakaliki, they have killed 500 display in Imo State. 5 houses damaged, 100.
Onye ndu emega ya ma kita ka mwa watagodu first on personal na Biafra abụlọ ihe nke mmadụ ihe mmụọ because Biafra everywhere ebe ọ bụla ịba na all social media if you're not talking about Biafra ọ dịka onwere ihe ị na-ekwu.
Yes, now you are just wasting your time then.
So everybody during this day now on 26th of this month. Oga na aga court. Anywa ndị ga-aga nwa aga all places ma anyị na ayodo onye na-azụ afịa that day. All people emechisie ka ifu na anyị nweta because if blue Biafra n'echiche na kpo la ịmarụ na ị ka nwe hope. Nothing like you're living with hope. Nnamdi Kanu that mụ a na-ebigodu mmarụ na there is hope. Because here a na-arụ Nigeria anyị na nwanne enekwa m ohere tie Nigeria m ga-achịkarị karịa nke na-achịfa na
nnekwe m anya a na-agwa gị agwa na mmadụ.
We are dealing with zoo animals. Onwe dị farmer, onwe ife ama but Chineke ga-abụ ọfụ ike na nke ikpeazụ na nke ikpeazụ a ga-abụ ọfụ ike. So onye ka onye nwe anyị gbaa unu ume yes ebe ọ bụla nọ nọ Chukwu okike abịa na-edu unu.
Iman gịnwa isokwa abụọ onye ọbụla ya ebe ekwe gịnwa iso. Oh, that is what we are trying to let everybody know. Everybody is ordained to this mission.
Everybody. Mmatụ gị asị ịma na oge nlu sef mbịa na-ekreti Facebook na-agbọ na-ekreti ya ihe Biafra IPOB ọmalụkwa 3 days ndị akụchia Facebook mo
fa na-ekwu na fa mara ọgụ anyị na-anọ fache nọ ife egwuregwu. This channel you are seeing today to just make it because we know what we are fighting for.
But thank God for today. We are going home. More than afia ometa ga na akụkọ ụmụ Israelite na Egyptian.
Amen. Daruo.
Oh yeah now. Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, oh my God, all my people.
Ifeanyi, I'm adding you. No answer. Please, can you all open your words on network? Open the platform. That is because a lot of people can erase. I'm connecting you. I'm connecting you. When with Nnamdi Kanu, we move. Now, please pick your call. Okay. Card. For those that want to command, the president for ordinary Nigeria, for them to do their business, for them to have life. They, because they know after that Hello, my sister. Welcome to our stream. This is Freedom Channel.
Hola, hello. Hello.
Can you hear me right now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please, if you know that you are not hearing us, let us know, please.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So, our sister, go on.
Yeah, nwere m ọchịchọ ikwu na ihe m na-ekwu unu jisi ike n'ihe unu na-eme. And the another thing I ga-agwakwu ndị be anyị wụ that day of the court. Konyo wana noro endo. Kamaru neha wutiline so
Also
much.
for fano na. Right now, we must enforce any law or any order that we receive. It is going to be our part of our assignment.
Okay. Beacon, okay. Thank you very much. Nothing much. Thank you, GCK. God bless you. Chukwuba. Thank you.
All here, Biafra.
Biafra, say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. All our enemies, they are getting high blood pressure because they thought that when they catch Nnamdi Kanu, everybody will shut up or everybody will keep quiet. It's like putting fuel inside the fire. Imakwenye faji ya bomb. Hey. Arrange. Please do not call because if you call, it will going to disturb our voice. So I will send you request, then you connect. Oh, hey, Biafra. We are Biafra, fighting for our freedom. In the name of Jesus, we must conquer. Hello, my brother. Welcome to our live broadcast. You are blessed.
Thank you, my brother. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Yeah, I'm going to go like for your work. Wonderful job. It's good. This will be my second time in on the platform, and then your people because I can see in any though I know I want on a diaspora, but in any and we go protest a Blake go many places, and I will like to encourage people on 26th of this the court day. Let me call it that court day. That 26 can win a massive protest. Obugodi na Nigerian government in a have their evil on our homeland. Fine, people there can be safe, but everybody outside the country, all IPOB members, let there be.
Yes, we have like head of state said, we have let all the zones, all the countries to know that very day them themselves are going to protest, but in Biafra land, no movement. We don't want to lose anybody again. Just stay at your home in Biafra land. But for those outside, we are going to, some of them, they will be in different embassies. It depends where they want to go. We have already made that very announcement. But for we here, is for you to share the news for them to know that in Biafra and the Eastern Security people, we are going to enforce the order that very day. So it's better you sit down at your house. Do not come outside. Thank you so much.
Onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo kwesịrị ịma na onwere onye obi dị mma. Both those people na-ekwu ya n'ọnụ ma ndị anaghị ekwu ya n'ọnụ, ndị mma anyị, ndị mpa anyị, onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo kwesịrị ịma na onwere onye obi dị mma. So afọ m ihe mmadụ ga-apụta ilo on the 26th. The sit at home emere last time bugodi ofu ihe gosi Nigerian government ka ha mara that na because some of them they believe na some people kwere some people ekwa. That sit at home bugodo ofu ihe make ka ha mara go do that na everybody as Igbo, that is it. Onye Igbo ọbụla chọrọ ịnọ na Nigeria. I can't live this life to see my generation ịdị na-apụta n'ọnụ Nigeria because this Nigeria enweghị any good thing. Ebe anyị so nọ outside abụrụ ebe anyị kwesịrị nọ. Some of us are here suffering. Onwe ndị chọrọ ịna-anaga bala uru. Onye ọbụla many of us which are graduate onwe ya anyị na-eme. So I like Nigeria adịghị mma. So ọ bụ that na onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo kwesịrị on 26 mmadụ apụta n'ilo, mmadụ ekwu n'okwu na Biafra land, mmadụ emepedịnụ if possible let all doors shut down, that is everywhere kpochie, mmadụ ekwu n'okwu si apụta n'ilo na Biafra land ka ha matagodo that na something is happening and something is wrong, ka ha matagodo na this our leader na onwe ndị kwu ya n'azụ, ka ha matagodo na everybody That's my contribution, my brother. And thank you for your wonderful job. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your own work where you are is to continue sharing it, because some people don't hear. Some people like hearing, like before they hear something, you need to say it like 3 times, 4 times. That is what our reader always said. There is some people like that. Okay? Thank you so much. May God bless all of you. Ise, Daruo. Bishop, I'm connecting you right now. Ndị anyị chọrọ ya, mana anyị nwa achọghị ya. I'm connecting you. Okay, Clifford, I'm connecting you live. One. Okay, please, if you know that you have issue, please remove yourself from entering. Can you pick up your call? Onye iro gbara okirikiri na-eche ndụ ya nche. Onye iro na-achụgharị na-eche ndụ ya nche. Hello, my brother. This is Freedom Channel. I welcome you all in the land of living.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Seeing the good work you're doing. Please keep it up. I know Chukwu must bring our freedom. I know it's going to come to pass.
Yes, sir.
So I really appreciate your work. May God continue to guide you and protect you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
When you continue doing your own work, anything you know you can do. It's a part of it for you to start spreading the news, so that very day they will not say that I didn't hear, or I didn't know, or I have forgotten. It will be a great day. We are the whole world. We know that they are not only holding our supreme leader, but they are also holding a lot of people on the ground. Okay?
Yes.
Because that is one of the big points. Because they know that Nnamdi Kanu are commanding crowd, so they are afraid of it. They won't shut up that crowd. The more they do,
know, even 2017, that 2017 that is coming with 100 Biafrans. So that is their fear. That is why they came to attack him.
Yeah.
In his residence. So this time around, 2017, that one is small. This time around, they will not believe what they are going to see. I know what they are going to do. Even we are still doing our best here, even doing some of the sharing, telling our family, all those our loved ones. Down the 26th.
Orumbosa nwanne gị nwoke buru moto ma buru basketball si na hi amodem na tata no world movement. Anya chọkwu ụdị akụ ahụ. Anya chọkwu ụdị akụ ahụ ife na chọkwu mmadụ na.
Ọmamme. Yọta. So ihe unu jishi ike Chukwu na ga-agọzi unu. Ihe unu na-eme.
Ise.
Chukwu gọzie gị.
Darụ ya gọzikwa unu. ọnụ aka ikwu aba inugo udo.
Okay.
Nnamdi nke ga mana ọbụkwa the original one, ọkwa ofu maazị Nnamdi ka anyị ma nke ga ọkwa boroboro like ndị zu. Nnamdi ọkwa joke ka m na-eme, agwatakwana ya personal, mana ofu Nnamdi ka anyị ma. Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ahịa, nwanne pụta n'ụzọ ree nwanne m. Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ahịa, akpụdi ego egbuo nwanne m. Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ahịa, nwanne pụta n'ụzọ ree nwanne m. Because don't call. I will add you, then you can pick up your call, please. Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ahịa, nwanne pụta n'ụzọ ree nwanne m. Onye iro gbara okirikiri na-eche ndụ ya nche. Onye iro gbara okirikiri na-eche ndụ ya nche. Ọhịa Biafra.
Ọhịa Biafra.
Ọhịa Biafra. Nna ọfọdụ gị na-eme ekpere m ihe a. Ọhịa Biafra.
Ọhịa Biafra.
Biafra hear you.
Nwanne m.
Now.
Nwanne m. Akwụ m gị n'azụ. Akwụ m gị n'azụ n'ile.
Odogwu ka ịbụ.
Ngwa na-eme nwanne m ezigbo mmadụ. Anyị kwụ n'azụ. Nwanne ebigi. Obodo oyibo anụ anyị na-adịghịzi anyị mma.
Ewo na mụ na nwanne m jere ahịa, anapụta n'ụzọ ree nwanne ha. George Morgan. I tried to add your screen. Can you people hear me very well? Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, please let me know. Please, if you can hear me, please let me know. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, trying to interrupt what we are doing. We are saying it again. No movement in Biafra land on 26th of this month that our supreme leader, they are going to hear him in court. That they start to march to our freedom. It is our starting point. For them to know that Nnamdi Kanu is not only fighting for himself, but is fighting for me and you. Hearing me anytime you come across this video, or right now you are getting me live and direct. No living things will move in Biafra land. Hear it very clear. We did not say protest in Biafra land because we know that they want still reduce some people, but we say stay at your home on 26. Do not come outside. Then all the lovers of freedom, those that is not in this country, those that is outside, some of them have already started. Because I received a video yesterday from Berlin, Germany. They are doing a wonderful job. They went to the Kenyan embassy. And also Canada, UK, a lot of places they are doing. So on that 26th, the people that are outside this Zoom, we have their own protests on the ground. But particularly here in the Biafra land, no movement. It cannot move. Everywhere we stand still. And believe me, that very day you will notice that even tree cannot move. Everywhere we stand still. As do not say that you did not hear. We are going to enforce this order. Let us know which do you know that you people are the one holding yourself on the ground? because you haven't taken any action. This is the simple way we are going to start marching to our freedom, so that they will know that if they go otherwise that very day, every living things like I play our everybody that his voice will repeat itself. This time we are not taking any chance from anybody. Okay, I'm adding you, Brown. Please come on board because I say you are very serious. You want to come.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh,
Shalom,
hey,
my brother. Shalom.
Shalom. Shalom. One day, go to your good okay, boy. What I go.
Na kefere me na. Na nya. Ya obi na to go mu isi maka ndị ai kwa aba. Iwotago.
One no be adra ye boy by. All this ka ya so what I go. Boys na ewi we. E what I
Na
go.
do buto nwere ka na
go dey happy e by no. Senior I freedom. Boys bụ ike. Ya anyị na-ede bụ ka anyị nwegodo obi. Anyị nọ lụba anyị ba nwu mba malụ na anabe nna aka anọ.
Nah, my brother, we are not asking of many things, so we just asking for one thing. Let us be. Freedom. We are not dragging the same Nigeria with you. Just let us be.
I don't do anything. Let us be the leader of our people. Be our police, be our army, be our navy. Hey, what I go? Boys, I made a better travel.
No good man, no.
4/7. Hey, what I go? Man, one two gonna about new. I did got him happy. I forgot him kissing all near all 247. Oh, and I never luna. Otu abu no shi dai no this side. Flag and I can 247.
Is it? We told you we must conquer.
Godfather.
No, what the peneme? Dalo.
Oh, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
They will free man. Storm or that place on 26.
No. Wait, no. It's not. Chekangwagi is not yet time because these people we know how they're operating. Do you understand? Yes. It's not yet time because that very day is just like starting. Yes, we say so thing hear from you, but we want all eyes to be there so that we know the direction they are going.
Washing. Everywhere is washing. Not only Nigeria, the whole world is washing.
Yeah.
Even the news itself.
Udo. Daru kanyen Joseph. Okay.
Yes.
Udo the leg. Okay, Precious woman, I'm adding you. Okay. 2 floors. Can you? Okay. Yes, just pick up your request. Pick up your request. Okay, Nazi, wait. I'm coming. Just wait. A lot of people, oh my God. They know because this is why they are after Nnamdi Kanu, because they are jealousy. They are okay. Wait. Joseph, I'm adding you. And ndị sabotua na-eme. That is their evidence is that because it is not me. Why it is not me? Don't worry, your people time is coming. We don't need una distraction for now. We are going to make sure that all the saboteur in our land, we deceive, because what we are fighting for, equal justice, equal fair. So, mind you, anyone you are doing, continue doing it. Your time is numbered. Okay, Ferdinand, Valentine, I'm adding you.
All hail Biafra.
Biafra, hear you.
All hail Biafra.
Biafra, hear you, my brother. Welcome to
My
Freedom
brother.
Channel.
Yeah, my brother. I don't make any because of the reason. You guys are really trying.
Thank you so much.
I make it no. I want to know.
Is it?
I ain't to make, but maka na ebe anyị nọ abụrụ obodo anyị nwabụ ndị na Arab country adịkwụcha anyị megheri ahụ, but anyị nwachọkwa imegheri ahụ.
What is then? Ezigbo obodo Chukwu gọziri agọzi. Anyị na-agbagara nganga obodo.
Okay, for my brother. Mana nsogbu adịghọ nwantịntị oge anyị ga-agbadata dịkwa
udo.
N'ọbụla o si wee dị osigbo ike anyị ncha emege m anyị ncha agbadata mara ka ọ ga-esi wee dị. Biafra nwere mmadụ, anyị nwere mmadụ, and o nwere ihe ha ga-emenwu anyị maka anyị agafego oge ime ya, anyị agafego ebe ha chere anyị nọ.
How many years they want us to be shut up? How many years they are trying to bring us down? But we are getting more.
Sure, it will never happen because I need to more and more every day. Kwa ụbọchị anyị na-eto. Chukwu okike ọbịa ọmaga na-esonyekwa anyị, na-enyekwa anyị ike anyị ga-eji na-eme ya. Na-akwadokoro ụnụ nwa bụ ndị nọ n'ala Igbo na-eme ọ na-aga ka anyị si wee chọ ka ọ na-aga. Na-echekwabekwara anyị ndị anyị hapụrụ n'ụlọ. Ana m ekene unu. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Daruo. Timothy Precious, I have been adding you. I don't know. Timothy Precious, I have been adding you, and I don't know what is going on. Okay. Jewel, can you pick up? Okay. No Biafra, no life. That is our own. No Biafra, no life. Any way they want it to be, let it be. Maybe we are not only asking for free Nnamdi Kanu because we already know that he is freed, but they must call for referendum. Do you get the point? If they really want, that's why they are going about all those people. As they are saying that innocent people are dying, but who is this innocent people they are killing? Who is killing the innocent people? Is it not them? Is it not them with the uniform? Have our community in Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Imo complain to them? Come and help us. The Eastern security people are killing us. Have any community called them? But the community of Kaduna State is calling them. Meduguri is calling them. Katsina is calling them. Come and help them to fight terrorists. Come and help them to fight bandits. But then they are channel their energy in Biafra land. Thank you, my brother. Welcome to our live broadcast.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Nwanne m na-ekele gị ị na-agbalị nnọọ dịka iji wee na-aga ozi ya ịghọta because anyị nwa ndị nọ even as ya diaspora because ebe hụrụ m na obi adịghị akwa gị mma ịghọta na this German na m nọ even ihe m nọ nnọọ na-eche nnọọ mgbe ụlọ ọ ga-esi eti even ihe a ga-atọ n'uzu ahụ to desert ịgwa nke wee eziokwu because obi adịghị m mma ịgwa nke wee eziokwu because eziokwu unu ahụ na-apụta online na-ekwu ịghọta na-ekwu maka nnwere onwe even Chukwu okike abịa gbaa unu ume ịghọta ya gbaa unu ume jisie ike ana m ahụ mgbalị gị ịgwa nke wee eziokwu because ote hụrụ m na hem nọ na na-asị nọ mgbe ụlọ ọ ga-esi eti even nna ha abata dị a ọ dị nke ihe a
Ima na onwe ifefe na-awọtara before. Onwe ifefe na-awọtara. Fache no just na ị na-akpụ yati n'ọnụ.
Yes.
Okay, the Twitter self teach them the lesson, just show them example. They think that there is no power in social media. Why did they? Do you know why they defeat? That is, they plan the coup, not that they defeat us. Why they succeeded in killing innocent people? Because the world is not aware what is going on there. So the world is listening for what they tell them. That's why they help them to block the wages for our children did not see food to eat. Okay, if it is true that what they did that very time is supposed to do, or they did the right thing, why are they not even given one day to remember all these people, or to even put it in school curriculum so that if you read it, you will learn your lesson from there? If it is dangerous or it is what they're supposed to do, that what they did, you will know that you cannot even get up and start talking about all those things. But they want us just silent like that. It is not possible.
It can never be possible. Because because we're a dead person living in the midst of living people. I'm a dead person. No, say even even my spirit has not my spirit has not here. Even my spirit no la Biafra land. Come on. I am not because evangelism I'm not going to come at Biafra la gaga. Or come back away make exist. Let everybody get away from this.
We are, if these people didn't know how serious we are, they will not try to do any rubbish starting from that 26. They cannot even, in fact, all eyes is on them. They cannot even try to cover anything up. If they really want peace to reign, because we are born to die to restore Biafra.
Even I'm a dead person. I am even Biafra. Even all these politicians are even they are useless people. I just mercy, even no mercy for them.
How many just don't mind them. How many are there? Like our leader always say, how many are there?
Oh, how many are there? How many long when they know be not this game? Like time for them, for example, now tell him no now. Obiate Kwagama. I'm not going to come Biafra laga gabia. Or come back away make will exist. Let everybody get away from this earth.
Do you know that in abroad what their citizens, and you cannot go have GIP camp Abi or can do to, who does that? Who does that? In a country this zone Nigeria, as a citizen, you are also begging for food, carrying your property to go and stay in a build one place, and you are proud. You are proud saying that you have catch mass in the camp.
They can never do more than a dead rat. When they can never do more than a dead rat. You got that? So one Nejisike no chuko kikabia mabagu menu or no.
You say
I even say I show you my soul to Biafra. Even I show you my soul to Biafra. Even Biafra is my religion, all my everything. I don't. It's my religion. Even Mogorilla Jamano, religion. La Biafra is my religion. How do I see Biafra? Master Gogolo, you will see Biafra. So Jisike one no kamyendo as that kamyendo zohere no when they chorora say that to contribute. Let them
Yes, thank you, my brother.
Chukokika ma bagu me or no or he Biafra.
Biafra here.
Jisike.
We are Biafra, massing for our freedom. In the name of Jesus, we must conquer. We are Biafra, fighting for our freedom. In the name of Jesus, we must conquer. Let all our enemies die and perish before their ancestors. Oh, I have so much people on the line. Please try to be patient. Try to be patient. I know the gospel must be spread, and at the end of the day, we are going to regain our freedom, no matter what our enemy are planning. onye iro gbara okirikiri na-eche ndị ya nche. Onye iro gbara okirikiri na-eche ndị ya nche. Oh my God. What is going on? I'm adding some people, but I don't know whether it is their network. I'm adding you. I don't know what is going on. So please, if you have any important thing or if you see any illegal movement, like I said in the other My Life video, I said from today you are going to be the chief security of your own. Any movement, try to know what is that, because we are not going to take any chances from them. Oh, hey, Biafra. You are live in the Freedom Channel. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
That means what we are doing, we are going progress, because today I can see a lot of women are connecting. As our able leader said it, that anything that our women involved, that means we have already in our place. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. I'm watching your video. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. They cannot do anything, my brother. What they need,
Is it? Nah, that's. Is a man network gonna break wow, eh?
Sorry. I'm not France. No, I'm not France. France.
Okay. That man net Ghana on egwu ọkwa ma ndị Fulani fa jiri mgburu n'onu fana agba ụta egwu afa na-adị na-agba ife netwọk gị na-agba kịta.
So ebe netwọk na-adịghị mma nke ọtọ ka ndị ọzọ nwee ike. Thank you, my brother.
Okay, that. Oh, this is what we want. Please, we have made it clear on 26 in Biafra, no movement. That from today, let everybody know. If you want to buy anything you want to buy, or you want to go anywhere you want to go, no movement. All eyes is going to be you. We are going marching to that part. Yeah, I told you, come mad say na kwe ye ku mo na kwe ife fa ku mo na kwe fa na debate there. Okay, Jimmy John, I'm adding you. Okay, Jimmy is not gonna. Timothy Precious, you have been requesting, but I'm putting. I don't know what is going on. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Precious Timothy, I'm adding you. Can you pick up your call? Precious. Timothy, I'm adding you. Okay. Then. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Ihe niile zuru oke n'ala Biafra. Dosi ya na ya ọkwa sabo. Martin. Oh, it is the problem. I think it is the network, or I don't know. No answering. Okay. Nwa Biafra Okechukwu, I'm adding you. If any place okay,
Nwa Chineke.
Nwa
Nwa
Chineke.
Chineke. Shalom.
All
hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
My name is Mazi Okechukwu, calling from Germany.
Thank you. The platform is yours.
Yeah, my dear brother, God bless you. I love what you people are doing. We are really supporting what you guys are doing back home. We went to Berlin yesterday to make sure.
Oh, that is wonderful. Yeah. Maybe I will go back and look the video. Maybe I can see you in that video. Very handsome. I love it. I love it. Our people are waking up.
Of course, we travel all the way. We spend 9 hours going, 9 hours coming, 18 hours. Where I'm living in Bayern Munich.
Wow, wow, that's good.
And I went to Berlin. Not only me, different Biafrans, part of Germany, all of us, we went to Berlin.
Yes, yes, I have. Wait, I have some questions. I see a lot of security agencies there. So what are they? Because it's like I so much impressed, and I see big people, and I did not see AK-47. Are they not carrying gun in that place?
No, they have pistol, but always on their waist. They don't bring it out.
Oh my God!
So they don't even protect us.
Look like.
Of course, the time we came in, we up to 300 before. Then gave us like a 20 security. I mean the police. When they see that we are more than 500, close to 1,000, they add more security. They add more security to make sure that we are protected. They did not shoot at us. They always guide us. They even came with ambulance. Maybe if anybody injured, they took you to hospital immediately. But where we come from is very, very unfortunate. You can't protest. You can't protest.
The thing will make it.
And that's why when we call on our people to make sure they support what we are doing, some of them say that we are brainwashed. My dear brother, I'm here in Germany, I'm working, I'm making my money. If I keep silent, maybe because I'm here in abroad enjoying 24 hours electricity, 24 hours running water, good roads, maybe job opportunity, and all the rest of them. And my people back home are being killed. What am I going to achieve at the end of the day? I get nothing. We have people here. We have people here in Europe. We have people here in Germany, to precise. But some of them don't even care. But I thank God for the formidable IPOB family members here in Germany. We are unstoppable. We are unbreakable.
Yes, they know. They know. That is why they're upset on us. They know.
Of course. Because and our people are with us. Our people are with us.
Do you know what? They try to prescribe us so that we will keep silent and we continue moving.
My brother, they can never prescribe 80 million people. If we are terrorists, if we are terrorists, how can German police, international police be protecting us yesterday? If we are terrorists, we are not. I'm calling on all our people back home and abroad. 26 is the date. When the whole Nnamdi Kanu, they hold every Biafran.
Everybody.
Nnamdi Kanu is all of us. We all are Nnamdi Kanu. We can't allow our enemy to laugh at us. We can't allow Fulani Janjaweed to take over our land. We saw what you people, I mean the Eastern Security Network, the formidable security outfit in Biafra land. Many of our people are against that, but we are not against because our land must be totally protected because Fulani Janjaweed, they are killing people. That is the truth.
Yeah,
they are killing people.
What
they are killing people.
That is what they don't want.
Everything we have in Biafra land. We start with Nnamdi Kanu. He's our leader.
Yes.
He's the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Nothing can stop us. If we happen to die, we die no more. Some say that we are in our blood making mouth. We are not making mouth. We march, we spend, we do whatever we can to make sure that we support. We call on international community. We call on United Nations. Humanity are bearing us witness. That is the truth. My father fought a civil war. So how can I allow Biafra to be taken over? Why 3.5 million were massacred on a cold blood? We did nothing. We did nothing. Only that God in heaven bless us as a people That's why we are being killed on a daily basis. You can protest and you claim somehow you're a human being. Of course, you're not a human being. Where you cannot protest, you cannot practice fundamental human rights. Self-determination is a fundamental human right. That is our right to decide if we want to remain in Nigeria or not. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody, I said nobody can stop Biafra. Kenya government is a disgrace to Africa. They are a disgrace to Africa.
Do you know what they want to distract our attention now? We will get their own time. We will get
just idiots. They have nothing.
Their own time.
They can't even offer anything to African continent. They have nothing to offer.
By the time we will release the video of what transpired, the whole world will see what happened.
This is Biafra. This is our flag. Anywhere we are with it.
Yes.
If I'm a terrorist, how can I live in the German soil? They would allow me.
Yes. I have been asking them this question. Why our community is not reporting us? Say that we are disturbing them or something.
Of course.
But the community of Kaduna, the community of Ubron, they are calling government to come and help us. Nobody is doing anything for them. By the time they wake up carrying arms or recruiting their people, they will start talking rubbish. But now they need their help there. They are not there, but they are in southeast, in south. Why?
I challenge those idiots in Biafra land. None of them can command us. None of them. Only Mazin Nana can command. He is the only one that have them.
Let me tell you something.
Command us.
Let me tell you something. Some people are telling me to shut down this channel, but I told them that it is the only man saying Nnamdi Kanu will tell me to shut down this channel because I work for nobody. I work for myself, so I claim the responsibility of anything that's happening in this channel. Do you understand? And because some of them are giving nonsense reason that I'm showing the secret of what are we doing?
I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. Listen to me. I want to tell you, even though maybe some of them may be suspecting you, even though you are not in support for what we are doing, but I'm here to tell you that I'm one of IPOB family member doing the needful. So it doesn't matter. What I mean is that even though some people think maybe you are broadcasting, maybe you are even though you are a saboteur, want to try to destroy what we are doing, but I'm here. Of course.
My brother.
Of course. That's what I'm trying to say is that because of your statement, you said some people. Even I saw some person right here. Are you sure this guy is from Igbos? Sometimes I suspect him, honestly. That's why I'm trying to say this. I don't care. We are Biafrans. What we need is Biafra. Now, our leader Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya, and some people are keeping silent. Some even rejoicing, celebrating. Idiots, fools. Do you think if something happens to Nnamdi, or do you think if you happens to shut that IPOB, they will capture all of you alive? You from Onyeka and Samus, I'm telling you before God and mine.
Don't mind that. That's why I don't even look at their comments because I know some of Janjaweed. That is how
those people commenting this on social media, they are all graduates. They have no job. They are jobless. Commenting rubbish every time on social media. You graduate with your so-called first class. You are go back and start riding Okada. You can't even buy the Okada. High purchase. People are fighting for you. You are there talking rubbish, commenting rubbish. You happen to buy Tekno, maybe 15, 20,000. Subscribe
one of my friends is telling me that some city or some places in outside country they will have free network where you can
brother. Don't say some of your brothers. If you want now, go out from this house now. I go to McDonald's now, connect free internet and call you back. Free.
You see? But here I will subscribe unlimited. It will not even reach me to do something. Do you know how much I subscribe before I come on air?
I'm telling you, my brother. What I'm telling you is that you see these people commenting rubbish. I can assure you, 95% of them are all graduates. They have no job, and they are not ashamed of themselves. For some of them, their families sold their property to train them in the school. After 5 years, then come out, then go and serve Zoo, go to Nigeria for 1 year, complete 6 years. You have no job. You can't even do anything. And you see somehow that trying to protect and do something. You are laughing. You are commenting rubbish.
No, don't mind that. Don't mind that.
Biafra is going to come. Biafra must to come. Biafra must to come.
Over my dead body, maybe over my dead body, just don't mind them. Don't mind them.
What I want to tell you, as I can see, you identify yourself as a Eastern Security Network. What I want to tell you is this: make sure that everything you are doing is under command and control of Nnamdi Kanu. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because yes, our people all over the world are supporting what you guys are doing back home. I'm telling you before God and mine.
Yes. Yes, don't worry yourself.
That what you are doing is under command of Nnamdi Kanu.
I told you before that I work for nobody. The only leader, the only supreme leader I know is Nnamdi Kanu. Do you understand? So I don't, in fact, I don't, even if my mother or my father broke my way to not this Biafra to come or not doing my work as I'm supposed to do, I will tell him to be on floor first. Because I'm not fighting for myself.
What we need, all our people back home, we need everybody in Abuja on 26. We need all Biafrans in Abuja. Make sure all of us are in Abuja. All of us will go to Abuja.
What? For unless some of them that in Abuja.
Excuse me. Are you member of Eastern Security Network?
If you want, I will not give you any information about this.
Excuse me. Are you member of Eastern Security Network?
I don't have any answer for this, my brother. Okay.
Okay.
And my WhatsApp number is there. I have already made this thing clear.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe I'm not online then. Okay. So what have you made clear to our people? I mean the viewers.
Okay.
I asking you, what have you made clear to them? You say I've already made it clear.
Yes, I have made them clear that the Eastern Security Network is for them, and me, Freedom Channel is the #1 that I claim. That is why I don't do. If you watch my distance, I don't make video and post. I'm always live, so that anywhere you can quote me right. Okay.
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 Okay. So that means, excuse me, that means you are not Eastern Security Network under oath.
If I have given you any false information or anything that is make you not to believe me, because here I'm not saying believe me or not. Do you understand?
What I'm trying to say that as long as you are fighting for Biafra, I'm with you. As long as you stand for Biafra freedom, as long as you stand for Nnamdi Kanu, I'm with you. But what I'm trying to say, I'm just trying to know something, nothing more. I have nothing to do. If you are fighting, your statement shows that you are fighting for Biafra restoration, isn't it? It is. So, but what I'm trying to know, are you not Eastern Security Network under oath?
I'm under oath, my brother.
Okay, that's what I want to know. That's what I want to know, because why I'm saying this, because we do see some certain people, them connive with some security agency in the zoo called Nigeria. They will come out, they said that our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, ordered them to kill 11 virgins or 11 girls, case maybe, to do ritual, then do that, they do that. And
wait.
Excuse me, sir, excuse me. And sometimes I say, if this person is really, truly Eastern Security Network member under oath, how can this person come out, start talking something like that? That's why I want to know. And please, is the commander in charge of Eastern Security Network ordered you to be doing this video? You are doing a great job, I must say. You are doing a very wonderful job.
I want to ask you one question. Can you just use your hand to claim your debt? Maybe some of people thought that we are joking. You understand? Some of them that we are joking. So the Supreme Eastern Security Network, you want to claim fire from heaven? My brother.
Okay.
If you want to ask me anything in private, but do not expect a concrete information, okay?
No, I can't ask you for any information on ground. No, I can't do that. Why must I ask you? Why must I ask you if maybe you are going to do anything in Biafra land tonight? No, am I stupid? What I'm trying to know is that if you read the comments, some of our people, the formidable, I know, I saw many of them now watching you. They try to know. Oh, some of them say that IPOB Eastern Security Network are not online. That's why I'm trying to ask this question. What you are doing, I love it.
Yes.
What you are doing?
Wait, that is why I'm telling you. I did not say that this channel is for Eastern Security Network. I say me. I'm the architect of everything.
This is personal. This is personal platform on your own. Okay, this is your personal platform.
This is one of my mission. Hear me live and direct.
Okay.
This is one of my mission.
Okay, now I understand.
Okay? And that is why you are seeing my face. That is why you are seeing my face. Because a lot of people are trying to get the information that I will not give to them.
Okay. No, don't give anybody, even me. If I ask you for any information about this network, don't give me. Don't give me. No, if I ask you any information about, don't give, never you. If I ask you, cut me off, don't give me, please. Because what am I going to do with this network information? What am I going to do with it? What I mean is that on 26th is the date. Everybody must go to Abuja and start with Nnamdi Kanu. That is my own message.
That is online today.
Exactly. Nothing happens to you people. We know that we have saboteurs in Biafra land. We are all one people.
We know all of them. We know all of them.
Yeah. So okay, as you can see, our people are very, very intelligent. Even one person said, don't answer him that question. If you are an Eastern Security Network, you see it. So many people, they are trying to know. You understand? Yes. So God bless you. Yes. My name remains Mazi. My name remains Mazi Okechukwu from Germany. Bayern Munich to precise. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, my people. What we are doing here, we are freedom fighters. We respect everybody's opinion. We respect everybody's opinion. Okay? So there is nothing. The one thing you will understand that there is nothing you will do that they will not criticize you. No matter what you are doing. But the most important thing is that for you to focus and know what you are doing. And you will see some people asking this question, they cannot even say that I am a Biafra. Because of belonging to IPOB or to belonging to any of this group. But the first thing they will always to do is to attack. We know them. And we know our people. Okay? So when we give message, if you want to get the message, you will get it. If you don't want to get it, you leave it. Yes, I can also, because what Tari boy, I want to put you online. Can you pick up your call? Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. Nwa Chineke ndewo.
Chukwu gozie go.
Jisi ike ihe na-eme. Ihe niile wo all the same goal ka anyị nwe. And the goal anyị bụ inweta Biafra. Ihe ọbụla ọ ga-cost anyị inweta Biafra. We are ready to pay the price. Oh yeah, those fools na amaro. You got to go after maybe na-egbuketa anyị akwụsị Biafra. But how mara that na Biafra no is spirit. How mara that no is spirit ka ha na fight, and that spirit ha na afụ ya anya because more ha na-egbu anyị nwa no nwa population anyị na-akarịkwa ha more ha na-egbu anyị. You got to go.
Oh, if you know if you will now, even on since I said IPOB is a terrorist organization, on back I was in again.
Yes.
Oh, if you know if you know. Oh, that's why they are going extra mile to bring our leader down, but that is the starting of their mistake.
Yes. Yes.
That
So I am very, very happy in him. To read you, I know how onye ọbụla bụ onye Biafra nọ ebe ọbụla ọ nọ. Onye ọbụla nidiri ịkwado maka mmiri a chọrọ izo. Because ọ bụla na ha kpachaghị anya, ihe a ha na-achọ ha ga-enweta ya ọfụma. Ịghọtago onye ọbụla bụ ọbụla nọ ndị ogbe na ịnọ n'ogbe ma ebe ọbụla unu plan otu unu ga-esi secure area unu.
My brother, this is the point why I'm coming on oil. But some of our people trying to know me. What are you going to do? What I am? Instead of you to get the message and prepare yourself. It doesn't. This time around, like I already say, it's not matter of Eastern security, IPOB, but it will going to fall on all of us.
Yes.
No matter how you want it to be.
So onye ọbụla nọ ebe ọbụla ọ nọ bụrụ nwa Biafra nọ na teritori Biafra, that person neediri ịgba mbọ make sure that n'ogbe ọbụla na ha ga-enwe otu guys n'ebe ha si wee coordinate onwe ha dị ready otu ha ga-esi wee defend onwe ha na ọbụla na everything mee because ihe na-eme n'ogbe na akịta mọ na village mọ na somewhere ọbụla men n'ebe ha dị united nwere ike before rescue ga-abịa ihe niile emechogo but ọbụla na men dị gallant mbugodi ndị obodo ahụ nọ around mmadụ na onye ọbụla ke nkwụcha ịghọtago mmadụ na onwegodi ihe mere na onwe ndị onwegodi ndị ga-azagoro oku gwa ndị ndị bata na onwe ndị nwoke obodo unu bata ịghọtago so ihe niile abụrụ ihe anyị ga-ebunye ESN na ka ha make sure that na ha take care of everywhere ESN ama nnụnwe everywhere but anyị nwa na onwe anyị nwere way anyị nwa na onwe anyị ga-echi form kwa our own protection before anyị na ha ga-emeketa ESN anụ na anyị na ha na-eme ihe before anyị na-eme ihe ESN abịa ịghọtago so onye a bụ ozi nchọrọ isikwe na this medium wee gbasara ndị be anyị ka onye ọbụla ke nkwụcha because ihe anyị nọ kịta na we cannot go back anyị erugo na the point of no return.
Yes, my brother, thank you.
Thank you very much. One love, eh?
One love. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Isaac Obi, you have right to say anything you want to say, okay? But if you want to get the message, you get it. If you don't want to get it, leave it. When the time comes, you will know. Okay. Who's again is gonna come in? Oh, I have a lot of people. Wait. Okay. Yes, wait. Oh, Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu, I'm adding you. My people, what we are talking here is about life. We are not here to gossip. That is why I have been telling you people, try to be disciplined and remain focused in anything you are doing. Ima na eburu onye ozu onye ọzọ ọ dịka ebu ukwu nkụ ọkwụnụ ma Emmanuel, wait, Emmanuel, I also have sent you. Oh, okay. Oh my God, wait. Where is the Emmanuel? Oh. You might just send me something now. Let me add you. I know a lot of people want. Oh. Prince John Igwe. Okay, James Emeka. Emmanuel, please send me again, please.
Too sweetly.
Oh, hey, Biafra. Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me right now? You are live in Freedom Channel. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, I think.
Okay.
Okay, today. So thank you.